Do you dread the sniffles, chills, and fatigue that come with flu season? But what if I told you there's a simple way to significantly reduce your chances of getting knocked out by the flu? That's right, the flu vaccine. But with all the information out there, you might be wondering, is the flu vaccine really effective? And are there any side effects to worry about? In today's video, we're diving deep into the flu vaccine. We'll break down its effectiveness, explore potential side effects, and discuss who should definitely get vaccinated. By the end, you'll know exactly what you need to do to be flu-ready this season. So buckle up and let's get informed. The flu, or influenza, is a respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses. It can range from mild to severe, causing fever, chills, muscle aches, fatigue, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, and headache. While most people recover within a week or two, the flu can be serious for some, leading to hospitalization and even death. This is where the flu vaccine comes in. It's a safe and effective way to protect yourself and others from the flu. The flu vaccine's effectiveness varies each year, depending on how well the viruses circulating in the season match those included in the vaccine. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reports that effectiveness can range from 40% to 60% in healthy adults. Here's why there's a range. 1. Viral match. The vaccine is formulated based on predictions of the dominant flu strains for the upcoming season. Sometimes, the circulating viruses differ slightly, reducing protection. 2. Age and health. The immune system weakens with age, making older adults less responsive to the vaccine. Similarly, people with chronic health conditions might have a lower response. However, even if you get the flu after vaccination, the benefits are significant. 3. Reduced severity. Vaccination significantly reduces the severity of the illness. You're less likely to experience complications like pneumonia, bronchitis, or sinus infections. Hospitalization prevention. Studies show that vaccinated individuals are less likely to be hospitalized due to the flu. 4. Reduced deaths. Vaccination, especially for high-risk groups, can significantly reduce flu-related deaths. 5. The flu vaccine also protects those around you, particularly those who cannot be vaccinated due to age or health conditions, herd immunity. Side effects of the flu vaccine. The flu vaccine is generally safe, with most side effects being mild and short-lived. Common side effects include 1. Soreness, redness, or swelling at the injection site, usually lasts 1 to 2 days. 2. Low-grade fever, usually lasts 1 to 2 days. Headache, usually mild. 3. Muscle aches, usually mild. 4. Fatigue, usually mild. These side effects are a sign that your body is building immunity. They usually go away on their own within a day or two. You can manage discomfort with over-the-counter pain relievers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen, but always consult your doctor before taking any medication. Serious side effects are extremely rare. A very rare allergic reaction called anaphylaxis can occur, but medical professionals are trained to address such situations. It's important to note that experiencing flu-like symptoms after vaccination doesn't mean you have the flu. The vaccine doesn't contain live viruses, so it can't cause the flu. These symptoms are likely your body's response to the vaccine and should resolve quickly. Who should get the flu vaccine? The CDC recommends annual flu vaccination for everyone 6 months of age and older. This is especially important for people at high risk of complications from the flu, including 1. Adults 65 years and older. 2. Pregnant women at any stage of pregnancy. 3. Children younger than 5 years old, especially under 2 years old. 4. People with chronic health conditions such as heart disease, lung disease, diabetes, or kidney disease. 5. People with weakened immune systems. Residents of nursing homes and other long-term care facilities. 6. Healthcare workers and other caregivers who are in close contact with high-risk individuals. Even if you're healthy, getting vaccinated is still important. You can protect yourself from a potentially severe illness and prevent the spread of the flu to vulnerable people in your community. Additional considerations. Here are some additional points to keep in mind. The ideal time to get vaccinated is typically in September or October before the peak flu season. However, getting vaccinated even later in the season offers protection. Different types of flu vaccines. There are several flu vaccine options available, including injectable shots, a nasal spray, not recommended for everyone, and a high-dose version for older adults. Talk to your doctor about which type is best for you. Many insurance plans cover the cost of the flu vaccine. You can check with your provider or visit the CDC website for resources on finding a free or low-cost vaccination clinic. By getting vaccinated, you're taking a proactive step towards protecting yourself, your loved ones, and your community.